So Nano Banana just released their second model, or a new model, should I say now, on their platform, and it is called Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so I just used it to generate a few images for myself, and I posted on my social media platform. So I got questions to do a quick tutorial on how they can access the Nano Banana tool and then use it. So Nano Banana is a feature in Gemini, or is one of Gemini's products, and the first model came out sometimes last year, that is 2025, as at the time of recording this video. The first model came out around 2024, 2025, and then they did an upgrade on it, which was Nano Banana Pro. And now, as at the time of recording this video in 2026, this is March, right? March 2026. They just rolled out the another model, which is called Nano Banana 2. Okay, so it's an advanced model of the Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so we have Nano Banana Pro, and then Nano Banana 2 currently. Now, I used it to generate this particular image of myself. All right, this is a professional portrait that I used it to generate. I also generated another image of myself, and then it looks very, very, very realistic. You can see the detailing, you can see the precision in the image, build up generally. So it's a very great tool. So I'll be showing you how you can create images like this using the Nano Banana 2. All right, so let's get in. Now we're going to open our browser. Okay, you can use any browser of your choice, and then we'll be accessing this Nano Banana Pro from Freepik. So just search Google search, or just search from your search bar and type in Freepik and just wait for it to load. Okay, so Freepik is loading now. Now this is the interface of Freepik rather. Okay, this is the interface of Freepik. Now you can see some of my recent creations. I created some of this cinematic. You can even use it to create videos. Okay, I was trying to create this video earlier. You can use it to create videos. You can use it to create a number of things. So these are the recent files I just created. Now you can see these two images. So let's go straight into how we can access it. Now you're going to see spaces, image generator, cinematic shots, video generator, and all of these. All these are new models that just rolled out. I just got rolled out on Freepik. So we're going to click on image generator. I just pinned it here now. Okay, I just pinned it here. So you just click on image generator. Now, once image generator loads up, you are going to see this interface. Okay, this is the interface of the image generation. You can see a number of images here. You can see a number of great images here. Now, we are going to browse. You see browse template, you see model, and you see all of this. So this is where we select our model. Now, automatically, the model is set to auto. So when you click on this drop down, there's a little drop down icon here. When you click on it, you are going to see Nano Banana 2, Google Nano Banana 2. That is Google's fastest high quality model. Okay, that is the highest or fastest high quality model by Google now, and it costs between 75 to 150 cents per generation. Okay, so just select that Google Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2. So this is the model, this is the particular model, and then we have style, character, and then upload. So you click on this upload, it's going to take you to where you upload your reference image. You can see the images I've created before now. So we click on upload media, and let's go and search media storage, or media box itself. Okay, so from our media box, I just selected this image of myself. This is a physical image that I took, showing my face, showing the exact feature, like a headshot image that I took. of myself. So I'll be using this image as a reference image. I'll be using this image as a reference image. So I'm going to just write a simple prompt, and I've not premeditated this. I'm just going to do this live on this video. I'm going to type using the attached image as an exact reference. Okay. I didn't write that well. Okay, as an exact reference. Create a professional headshot of him wearing a suit jacket against a gray studio background. Now this is a simple prompt that I just wrote here now. This is a simple prompt that I just wrote here, and I'm going to click on generate. So I'm going to click on generate, and because this is the latest model, it's all latest and fastest, but currently there's a lot of demand on the video, on the model, so it takes quite a number of time to generate sometimes. So it's loading currently. It's loading. So we're going to wait for, okay, we have minimum of 1 minute for this to load. So I'll pause this video and just come back when it's done. Voila, we have the image here. So this is the image with this simple prompt. Okay, with this simple prompt, you can see I have the image here, very high quality. Look at the subject image, look at the detailing and everything. So we have the image here. Now this is not where it ends. Let me show you another powerful tool that this has. Okay, let me show you another powerful tool that we can get from this model. So we are going to go back to home. We're going to go back to home, and then we'll select spaces. Now this is going to be a crash course. I'll do a more elaborate video on spaces. Spaces is another unique aspect in Freepik that just got introduced here. Okay, now when we click on spaces, we are going to create a new space. So from this new space, let's create a new space. We are creating a new space now. Now on our space here, there's what we call an assistant. So if you see this left side of my screen, this left hand side of my screen, you can click on this plus icon. We have a number of options here. Now, like I said earlier, I'm going to create a more detailed video explaining spaces, because spaces is a very broad interface, or a very broad extension that Freepik just added to their workspace. Okay, so for this tutorial I'll only be talking about one aspect of this in the spaces here. So we have what we call assistant. So you click on assistant, and it's going to give you something like this. Now what this assistant does is, it's like a built-in ChatGPT, or it has different models though. It has a different model. So it's an assistant that helps your prompting. It's an assistant that helps you write prompt. For example, the prompt that I was writing initially, I copied that prompt. So I just pasted the prompt here. Using the attached image as an exact reference, create a professional headshot of him wearing a suit jacket against a gray studio background. This is a prompt I just wrote from my head, but this may not be very, very professional, okay, from a prompt engineering standpoint, to get best results. So this assistant node can help you modify this particular prompt, and then you use the modified version of the prompt to generate your image. Okay, so you can see from here, you can select different models. Okay, we have Gemini 3 Pro, Gemini 3.1 Pro. There are different models here, but one of the best models that I think, in my opinion, works for text is GPT 5 Mini. Okay, or GPT 5.2. Let's use GPT 5.2 for instance, and we just click on run. It takes just 1 credit to run, so we just click on it and it's going to load, and let's watch how it's going to transform our little prompt into something very professional. Now this is great. Look at what we have here. Create a professional corporate headshot portrait of the same adult male subject, maintaining his exact facial structure, skin tone, hairstyle and overall likeness. Dress him in a tailored dark navy or charcoal suit jacket. Now you can see the description that is giving us. All right, with a crisp white dress shirt and a subtle neutral tie. Compose a chest up framing with, and all of this elaborate explanation. So this explanation gives the AI good ground and direction into what it will do for you. So you can just read through it carefully and understand the prompt. You can modify a thing or two within the prompt, and then you can just run it and generate your image. Okay, so I hope this was very helpful to you. Okay, so if this was very helpful to you, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll get notified. And if you found this video very helpful, drop it in the comment section, let me know. And if you also want me to do an elaborate video talking about the free pick spaces, because there's a lot of things going on here. You can generate images, videos, audios, you can generate mockups and a whole lot of things. All right, let me know also in the comment section and I'll be willing to work on that. Okay, so this is going to bring me to the end of this video. Till I come your way again, I am AP Media. Bye for now.